So given, so what is the solution for this? The solution will be, given I is greater than equal to 1, this one, we have, what we have, for I is equal to 1, we will get OI square, right, is equal to 0, I is now 1 square. What it means? 0, 1 square is 1, which is only single 0. Next, for I is equal to 2, you will be having OI square is equal to O, and then I is 2 square, that is O raised to the power 4, which is 4 number of zeros, right? Next, for I is equal to 3, you will be having O raised to the power I cube, which is O3 square, which is equal to O raised to the power 9, right, which is equal to 9 number of zeros. Okay, so in this way you will be getting a language. So finally we can see that what is the length of this string. So length is equal to 1, length is equal to 4, right, and here length is equal to 9, and so on. So every string is having the length which is a perfect square. This is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square. So every string belonging to this language is having a perfect square. So we can write, as we can see, the length of each string is a perfect square. Okay, what is the first case? What we will do? So we will start applying the pumping lemma. So let us assume. So I suggest everyone, even if you are not able at the time of examination to prove this, definitely write this first step. What it is? You have to just write, let us assume that you will get 1 or 2 marks, at least 1 marks you will get. I will give you the marks. Okay, so let us assume that the language is regular. Language is regular, right? And let n be the constant of pumping lemma. I think there is no difficulty in writing this much. Now we will move to second step. Now let us choose sufficiently large string Z such that Z is equal to O L square, where what is this L? It is any sufficiently long string. So L will be any random value, okay, for some L is greater than 0. Okay, the length of Z is given by length of Z is given by Z is equal to greater than, because it is a string belonging to a language, it will be having length L square. Everybody agreed? Because here from this only it is clear, here Z string is there which is having length L square. Just now we have seen 2O raised to power 4 will be having length 4, right? Similarly here for this Z is having length L square which is greater than equals to N. Okay, so we don't know N, so we have assumed N is a constant, just like we had a 3, 4. Okay, L we have identified as the length what, 3, 4, whatever as per the N value. Since you have to write now, since we assumed that L is a regular language and from pumping lemma we should be able to write Z is equal to UVW. Is it the thing which we have tried to write in the earlier steps also? So we are trying to choose one of the constant N. So we have decided N to be a constant. We have decided Z will be a string which is having perfect square length which is greater than equals to N. And as per pumping lemma we should be able to define Z in the form of UVW. Okay, now next is, so I need to finish. So after this what we will write? Third step. What is the third step? The third step is, as per pumping lemma, every string UV raised to IW, okay, for all I greater than equals to 0 is in L. Okay, likewise we should have the length greater than equals to 1. So we need to choose now V, U and W properly. Okay, which means that V cannot be empty string and must contain at least one or more symbols, right? So now we will try to consider different V values. So let us consider the case when V contain a single symbol. Okay, so this is our first case, we can say. So what it is having? V contain the single symbol. If V is containing a single symbol, in that case what will happen? In this case Z is equal to UVW is equal to OL square. Okay, which means what it means? That the number of zeros in Z is perfect square. right? We have already written. So as per pumping lemma, what is required? We would expect uv square w, right? It is uv square w must also be a member of L. Okay, must also be a member of L. Everybody agree? However, this cannot be possible. Is it possible? It is not possible, as V contains only a single symbol and adding it will violate, okay, adding it will not make the resulting string a perfect square length string. Agreed? If we add a single, so thus what we can say, pumping V would yield to be yield strings with non-square length. Okay, therefore what we can say, thus uv square w, okay, thus uv square w is not in L. This is a contradiction. Okay, on assumption that L is regular. I hope this is clear to everyone, this case. So now the next case is, let us now consider the case when V contains perfect square number of O's. Okay, a sample sample V could be written as, for example, perfect square, that is 4 O's. Okay, that is 4 O's, right? Or you can consider that is 9 O's. Okay, anything you can consider as V. and so on. You can consider any perfect square length string as a V. Okay. Okay. Now try to pump this V multiple times such as, for example, we can consider as V square is equal to, if our V is 4 square, then our V square will become 8 square, right? Sorry, 8 number of O's, right? Now, okay, or if we consider it as 9, then it will be having how many? 3, 3, 6, and same is repeated. Okay, that is 18 number of O's, right? So if we pump such string in between, what will happen? And so on. If we pump any perfect square string, then what will happen? We will find that the resulting string, so we find that the length after pumping V is not a perfect square. Will it be? It will not be. Okay. Thus we can say, so thus we can say that UV square W is not a member of L, right? This is a contradiction to our assumption that L is regular, right? Similarly, if we consider that V contains any number of O's, then on pumping it, we will not get string a perfect square length string. Okay, so 3 cases. Which are those cases? Either V is a single symbol, or V is perfect square number of symbols, or V is having any number of symbols. Okay, for all these cases, what we have observed, for all cases it is observed the u v raised to I w is not in L, right? Therefore the language L is equal to OI square for I greater than equals to 1 is not regular. Okay, so in this way you have to prove whether the given language is regular or not. So you need to consider 3 cases for this, and if you are pumping this V in the UVW, you are not reaching to that the resulting string is a perfect square. Okay, so for all cases it is observed that the UVI is not in L, that is perfect square length string. Okay, therefore the language L is not a regular language. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay.